Good morning, everybody. I am literally just waking up, but this is my morning routine and I'm excited to share it with you. I feel like it's so important to have a morning plan just to be more productive and set up your day for success. So I'm going to share mine with you. This is what I've been doing for like the past 2 weeks or so, and it's been really working for me. To be honest, I don't even know what I look like right now because I don't have my glasses on or my contacts in, so I hope I look okay. But this is what I look like in the morning, so good morning. Before we get this video started, I would absolutely love if you could like and subscribe. I usually get up at 6 or 6:30. Now I will make my bed. It usually takes me a few minutes, but I am officially up. My contacts are in, so I can see myself now. Not looking too hot, but I am going to take a shower now. That is the next step in my plan. Also, make your bed. It's so important to make your bed. It just like kicks off like one task done for the day. Makes you feel more productive, so do it. I'm gonna put my hair up because I washed it yesterday morning, and I'm gonna put it up with one of these teleties. I got them for Christmas in a pack of 3. And they're really cute and don't leave any creases in your hair. I am out of the shower, but I still have my hair pulled back because it's time to wash my face. In the winter, I put so many serums on and creams on to make sure that I am hydrated during my sleep. But in the morning, I just do cleanser and moisturizer, so that is what I'm gonna do. Also, I know I didn't wash my hair today, but I wanted to show you these 2 products. They're empty. So this is the Verb Ghost shampoo. This is the Verb Ghost hair mask, and this is what I used as conditioner probably every 3 or 4 days. I love this stuff and it's affordable. It's only $18 a bottle. Like all of the Verb products are the same exact price, which I really like. And they have clean products. They're color safe, weightless. So if you have really fine hair and you're looking for new products, this is it. And I also love that it's like a very minimalist design, so it looks cute wherever you put it. This is the beauty fridge Mark got for me last Christmas, not this past Christmas, but the Christmas before. And it is so great. It has like a little shelf. And then in here, I keep my cleanser, makeup remover, primer, other makeup remover. Seriously fits so much for being such a tiny little fridge. Usually while I am washing my face, brushing my teeth, putting on makeup, all of the things that come next here, I am either listening to another YouTube video or I'm listening to a podcast. I love the morning toast. So if it's a Tuesday, then I'll listen to like all of the Bachelor recap podcasts. But my favorite YouTuber right now is Julia Havens. She's moving to Nashville, which I think is so cool. So I'm excited to see what their adventures lead to there. I feel like I'm starting to look a lot less sleepy, which I'm happy about. So now I'm just putting on moisturizer. And actually, fun thing guys, by the time that you're watching this, I'm in Epcot with my friends. So I'm so pumped. We're going there this weekend. It's really the first time in a really long time that I have just like ventured out of Sarasota. If you're looking for a thicker moisturizer, this really works well, especially because it's wintertime. It's really good to get that extra hydration in, but I use this year-round because I love it year-round. I just apply more during the winter. I'm just gonna do a super light makeup look because I'm not planning on taking any pictures today or really going anywhere today besides getting this nail fixed. I cannot believe it just cracked like that. How rude. Now it's time for makeup. I always start with eyes, so I am going to pull out I'll show you my makeup drawer actually. This is my makeup drawer. I love this organizer in the middle. I got it from HomeGoods. But I used to keep all of this on my counter and I just couldn't anymore. It looked way too cluttered. The blue basket is makeup that I don't use as frequently anymore. Maybe I'll use it in like a different season. And this is what I'm currently using, plus all of my brushes, whether I use them or not. And then these are my 2 favorite palettes down here. You're seeing this on a Sunday. I'm in Orlando, probably heading home from Orlando because I went to Epcot on Saturday. And now we all have Monday off. At least I have Monday off from school. And I'm thinking, should I watch Bridgerton? Because everyone is talking about it. Like seriously, everyone I know is talking about it. And I haven't had the chance to sit down and watch it. And if I sit down and watch it, like, I want to have time to watch the whole thing because that's just who I am. Like, I love binging shows. Is it worth it, or do you recommend something else? I just watched Kingdom. My mom just watched Kingdom, and I came in like every other episode when I wasn't busy doing things. And it was pretty good, but it was just like a little gory. It's about, I think, MMA fighting. It had Nick Jonas in it, so I was like, where are Kevin and Joe? Anytime Nick Jonas or any of the Jonas brothers are in something just as themselves, I'm like, where are your brothers? Go get them. Probably halfway through Kingdom, I was able to accept that Joe and Kevin were not going to show up. So I was able to see Nick Jonas as the character that he was actually supposed to be playing. And it was a good show. A lot of shady stuff happens, and I'm just not super into that stuff. A lot of people are saying that Bridgerton has music in the soundtrack that is Ariana Grande and Taylor Swift, but it's just like played by an orchestra, so it sounds like it belongs in that time. I think I've convinced myself to watch it, but if you have any more show recommendations that I can watch Monday, please let me know, because that's what I plan on doing. Computer work and shows, which I'm totally happy with. While we are on the topic of entertainment, last night I watched Sweet Home Alabama and The Proposal for the first time ever. Such good movies. If you have seen them before, watch them again. Hulu has like a whole bunch of rom-coms available now because I guess they do it because Valentine's Day is coming up. Good morning. Good morning, Mia Pia. How are you? Oh, you're a good girl. You wanna come lay in my bed? Come on, let's go. Let's go. She gets the wiggles and she's just like, come on, Mia. Come on, get up there. Get up there. Come on, up. Good girl. Okay, so these are my jeans for today. Oh, she's so sweet. Okay, so I laid out these jeans for today, and I'm going to wear them with this top. I think it's really important to lay out an outfit before you go to bed because it makes it so much easier in the morning. I feel like a lot of time is wasted when you try and pick out an outfit in the morning. Clearly Mia likes this one because she's chewing. One of my favorite parts of the morning is opening up all of the blinds because it just like lets the morning light in. I'm going to do that, and hopefully you can see it. This is the outfit. Looks pretty cute, looks pretty comfortable, but still very put together. Also, I always put accessories on and I always put shoes on. Shoes are the major key. If you're working at home and you're trying to be productive, put some shoes on. It just works, okay? One day I want a collection of mugs and I want all of them to look different when I have my own house. But right now, I am making some Nespresso. This is my coffee station. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. And we got the Nespresso recently. My favorite thing is filling up these things. Like, look how satisfying that looks. Anyway, so I usually have this one. And then I just press. We also got the Nespresso frother, so I've been using that with oat milk. And I just fill it all up. But one thing about the Nespresso that I don't entirely love is that the pods fill up the cup entirely, and I'll show you a second. So you have to pour coffee out to make room for the frothed milk, and I always just feel bad wasting coffee. You see how it is filled right to the tippy top? Like, I don't want to tilt it anymore. So there's no room for milk, so when the frother is done frothing, I have to pour like a little bit of this out to add my frothed milk to it. And this is great for someone that drinks black coffee, but for me I just feel a little bit wasteful, like dumping out part of my coffee. Frothing now, but my favorite part of the morning is opening this up, digging through it to find a purple pod. Okay, so I found one. That makes me so happy. Wow. She is beauty, she is grace. Going into this new year, I had a few different mantras, but one of them that is super important, and I swear it helps me be so productive is just finish what you started. So for example, I just used the frother. I cleaned it immediately after. I'll clean the mug immediately after I'm done having coffee, just so it doesn't linger in the back of your brain, and then at the end of the day, when you're actually done with your work, you have to come do a whole other set of work with housework. So finish what you started and do it as you go. Also make sure to fill up a big thing of water. I try and drink 3 to 4 of these a day. Before I go into my office, I send my mom off to work.
See you later. Love you.
Bye, love you. She recently learned what ASMR is, so she's been talking in like a whispered ASMR voice and like clinking her nails on things. Now it's time to go to my office. If you are the type that works from home, then I feel like it's really important to have a space that inspires you and makes you happy. For example, this piece my brother and his fiance got for me, absolutely love it. The flowers I got on Sunday. The space just makes me really happy. Okay, I am officially ready to go. Usually I would be starting work by 7:30. It's actually 8:15 right now, so I did take a little bit longer because I was filming this thing, but usually it's a pretty quick morning routine. I think it's super important to have a plan. I think it's super important to have a planner. This isn't sponsored, but if you are a blogger or you work in marketing, you're a social media manager, you need this planner. My mom and dad bought it for me for Christmas, but it is so great. So it's got a calendar, big month at a glance calendar. Then it's got your income and expenses sheet, so you can calculate that. And then it has your to-do list, objectives, things to remember, people to connect with, your notes all the way at the bottom. And then it has each day of the week here with each social media channel, so you can make sure that you are getting the content in and you're not forgetting anything. But I sit down with this planner every single day in the morning and at night to make sure that I'm on track. I also sit down with this planner, which is my school planner. I got it in the $3 section from Target. So if you just need something basic, $3 from Target works really well. Today, I am doing lots of emails in the morning. I will probably edit this video later. I have to pack for my trip to Epcot. I will be on stories at some point today. I have to speak with a client today. And I have to plan my client meetings for next week. So it's gonna be a busy, busy day, but that's how I like it. I am so, so grateful that I get to wake up and do this. So I'm really happy you guys could join me for my morning routine. I wanted to share it because if I have a plan for waking up, if I have a plan for my day, then I never get overwhelmed. But it's when I don't have a plan that I do get overwhelmed. So I hope this video helps you sort of find what works for you in the mornings. And I hope that you fall into some sort of plan so you can be more productive during the day. Or if you already are productive and you just watched this to watch this, then good for you. Thank you for watching, and make sure that you like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to make sure that you get a notification every time that I post. And hopefully the next video that I post will be a really fun vlog. If you have any video requests, leave them in the comments, and I will see you later. Bye.